evening.
Welcome back.
Right, we got these to try, right?
Pot
It's
noodle.
the Donner meat, or Donner Kebab.
By the way, I've got it in this bowl. I'm weird.
He's got to be different, he's got to eat it at a bowl.
Now, in this is hot sauce, so I'm quite,
So,
I'll probably have to next days. Anywho.
let you know how this is, because I don't do spice.
Right.
I think it's actually alright.
It's actually a bit, it's alright, but it's just got, there's like wee bits of,
I don't think it's that spicy.
oh, there's a wee bit of doner in it.
No, it's not, that's just part of the thing now, but I'd get
I'd get a 0. Okay, no.
I'd get what, a 6 out of 10? I mean, it's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. So, yeah, go get a go, guys.